Jacques Torres from Jacques Torres Chocolates. Hot chocolates or frozen hot chocolates. I'm going to show you how to work with both, starting from the same can. So, I'm going to put 2 volumes of milk for 1 volume of the powder. 2 volumes of milk and 1 volume of the powder. So the secrets here to make a good hot chocolate is actually to boil the milk, put the powder, and boil it again. So it has to boil 2 times. So the great thing here is that if you do your hot chocolates, you can serve it hot. Or you can put it in a cup, put it in a refrigerator, and that evening or the next day you will have a chocolate pudding. Also, if you cool it down, put it over ice and blend it, you're going to have a frozen hot chocolate. So you can do a lot of different things with basically the same recipe. Okay, so the milk is boiling. Let's add the powder, and when you boil it, please keep stirring. If you don't, it will burn. And if it burns, no good. So you can always adjust your hot chocolate with a little bit more milk if it's too thick for you. Okay, so everything is boiling, I stop it. For the pudding, what you can do is take some bonbon, put 1 on each cup, then you can add the hot chocolates, and tomorrow when you take it out you will have a nice pudding with a surprise inside the pudding. Now with the same recipe, with the same base, you can make a frozen hot chocolate. So what you will have to do is take this mixture and again let it cool down over ice or in the refrigerator until next day. The next day you will get a mixture pretty thick. So this is the same base that I just cooked the next day. That spent the night into the refrigerator. So I'm going to take 2 cups of this base about, and then I'm going to add to it about 1 cup of ice. So now I'm going to mix all that. Okay, and this is a frozen hot chocolate, but if you want to spike it, put a little bit of cognac, rum, and we have a flavor or spiked frozen hot chocolate. I go for the one with the cognac. Merci.